Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video, and this is Kingsley from kingobinnar.com. Welcome to this video, and in today's video I want to talk about how to optimize a Google site e-commerce store. So you have created your e-commerce store with Google site, and you have added all the products and everything is fine. Your products are good to go, and you now can start selling on your site. So now, how can you optimize it so that you can start getting traffic to your site and start making sales, which is one of the most important things to do. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly 5 steps on how you can do that. But before we dive straight into all of this, welcome to my channel. If today is the first time seeing my channel, so thank you, and welcome. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So guys, a lot of other stuff are coming up, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss them. So let's go straight to what we have today: how to optimize a Google site e-commerce store website. I'm going to show you exactly 5 things you need to do, which are very important for you to optimize it. And I'm going to show you some of the benefit of optimizing your e-commerce store or whatever type of website you're creating online. Some of the benefit of optimizing it. Now, to optimize your store, like if you don't know how to create this e-commerce store, I've showed you exactly how to do it in my videos. I'll leave the link to it in the description below, so check it out. And I also leave the link to how to connect a custom domain name, because it's part of the optimizing stuff we are going to talk about today. So the first one is to connect a custom domain name. Now, what is a custom domain name? Custom domain name is, for short, like my domain name kingobinnar.com. That is a custom domain name. Google.com. Those are custom domain names. Okay, so your e-commerce store that you've created with Google site needs to have a custom domain name. Now, by default, it's not going to have a custom domain name. It's going to have a long domain name. For example, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. As you can see, this is it. It says https:/sites.google.com/view/what. So this, let's say for example, I've written this stuff. So this will be the custom domain name of this. This will be the custom domain name of this website. But for now, if you want to optimize it using one of the strategies I'm going to show you, you need to connect a custom domain name. Now, if you don't know how to connect a custom domain name, I've showed you exactly how to do it in this video. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below, so check the link in the description below to see how to connect a custom domain name. Here is the video. This video, how to connect a custom domain name with your Google site. So I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so check it out. So you need to do that. So that's the very first thing you need to do. Now the next thing is to add your domain name, the domain name you have connected to your e-commerce store. Add it to Google Search Console. Now this is Google Search Console. So this is the Google Search Console of my domain name. As you can see, this is King Obinnar on the screen right now. So you need to connect your domain name to Google Search Console. Now, if you don't know how to do it as well, I also taught you how to do it in this video as well. In this video on how to connect the custom domain name, because if you want to connect the custom domain name, you'll be required to connect your site to Google Search Console. Now that is going to help you monitor or help you boost your rankings on Google, and that's exactly what we're looking for, so that we can be able to get those organic traffic to our e-commerce site. Now the next thing is to add meta text or description. Now what do I mean by this? Now look at this product. Okay, so let me cancel this and come back to this product. So as you can see, there is no description of this product here. Now Google needs all this description. Why? Because it needs valued content. This is what Google will use to know what this stuff is all about. So as you can see, I just wrote good quality. You can add detailed description here, good quality, and good performance, just good detailed information about the products you are going to sell. So each of these products, you should write detailed description for them. Now Google Sites is limited to the kind of stuff you can do with it, but these are some of the best practices you can do that will help you boost your store. Okay, so if assuming you're using WordPress, assuming we created this with WordPress, there are a lot of plugins and you can use, and I think I showed you exactly how to do it, also how to create an e-commerce store with with WordPress in one of my videos. I'll also leave a link to it in the description below. So that's it. So you need to write the description and meta text. Now the next thing is to start building backlinks. Now how can you build backlinks? This is very important for your SEO, for you to start ranking on Google. Okay, you need to start building backlinks. Now there are so many ways to build backlinks, but one of the fastest way that you can use to build backlinks is to provide value and be writing guest post, being on guest post on other blogs. For example, let's say like my blog kingobinnar.com. Okay, so you can go to the contact us section of the blog, message the owner and say, okay, I like your blog and I have an e-commerce website and I want to write some content on your blog. Now after you've written that content, the person would like to link back to your e-commerce store. Now that is backlinks. That is what backlink. Now that's going to help you on your store or your website for you to get those backlinks that is needed, because the more the backlinks, the more or the higher chances of your site ranking on Google. Now the fifth one is to keep writing content, is to keep creating content, is to keep adding products. Now why that is very important is the more contents, as this is Google site, okay, so the more products we add here with a lot of description and a lot of text and a lot of about us page, contact us page, disclaimer policy, privacy policy, all those steps, all those pages, all those content are going to also be able to rank on Google. And now that is more opportunity for people to discover your website. Okay, so the more content you add over time, the more your store or your site is going to become successful. Now that is these are some of the ways you can optimize this Google site. Now there are some other ways that I didn't show in the video, so make sure to subscribe, as I'm going to be telling you how to do that in subsequent videos. Okay, I'm sure you enjoyed today's video. So if you have any question that you want me to answer, all you need to do is to drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you won't miss any video once we drop them on this channel. So guys, okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. All I want you to do right now is to stay safe and enjoy. Thank you very much.